Hello everyone. Today, me, Caroline, Jeffrey, and Safitri, we are going to tell you about the customer relationship management from the case study of Apple. We are from Group 2. And our presentation outlines are introduction, literature review, case study, and conclusion. Introduction. First, I'm going to tell you about the company overview. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne on April 1976. As you can see, the first Apple logo is a person with an apple, and it was in 1976. And Apple is an American multinational corporation headquartered in California. Its best-known hardware products are the Mac line of computers, the iPod, iPhone, and the iPad. Apple in total has 9 products with 7 services and 378 retail stores worldwide. And the current logo of the Apple Corporation is the Chrome version until now. Next. The vision of Apple Company is man is the creator of change in this world. As such, he should be above systems and structures and not subordinate to them. The mission of this company, Apple is committed to bring the best personal computing experience to students, educators, creative professionals, and consumers around the world through its innovative hardware, software, and internet offerings. Next.
Customer relationship management is an approach, technology, guidelines, practices, or protocols that an organization follows to manage and interact with its customer. In CRM, technology is important. To it merely enable a successful CRM is built around the philosophy of customer centricity, which is to always put customer first. Through CRM, a firm seeks to enhance value for their customers. The value-enhancing position of a firm will then improve their business relationship, revenue, and profitability, as well as reduce costs and increase the loyalty of customers. There are several key tools and contents of CRM, including segmenting customer, which group customers to create specialized communication about products, predicting customer behaviors, where firm forecasts the likelihood of customer purchases, customer value determination, that is used to verify the customer lifetime value, personalizing customer communication, automated sales force, and managing customer service capabilities, which basically performance measures designed around 7 Rs. To plan and create a CRM, the following steps must be taken. First, define the objective of the CRM program. Second, the objective of CRM have to fit with the overall strategy of a firm. Then, a firm must decide whether they want to make and develop the CRM program themselves or buy from another firm that is specialized in CRM. The firm can either choose to integrate the new CRM program with their existing system or replace with new one. The employees of the firm must undergo some training to adapt with the new CRM program, and the firm also needs to adjust their policies, upgrades, and maintenance schedules. The last is that the firm has to consider the cost and time frame for the implementation of a new CRM. The implementation of CRM involves CRM users from outside to make employees understand how CRM fare their jobs, select the right application and provider, integrates existing CRM applications over time, establish performance measures, and provide CRM training for all users. Since CRM has become one of the leading business strategies, there are trends that is evolving around the internet. First, customer data privacy, which are rules and laws regarding internet privacy. Second, social media, which creates and cultivates virtual communities around products or services. And the last is cloud computing or software as a service, which is an a la carte demand offerings accessed via web browser.
Going to discuss CRM in Apple. So in Apple, their CRM has 2 main focuses. So the first one is improve the customer service experience. And the second one is collecting customer data such as purchasing patterns and history. By focusing on these two main objectives, they can achieve their core purpose to help the marketing departments to design more efficient and direct marketing campaigns to its customer segment. Next. So here are some ways of using CRM in Apple. So they use Mac CRM in its operations through the utilization of customer past experience and history at the company or its outlet, and make ways of sustaining that relationship of the customer. They also use big data analysis to make out the needs and preferences and then develop products that best suit the wants of the customer. So they're using CRM to boost the loyalty in its customer and banking on them to refer others to the company in a bid to expand their sales and market growth. Next. Here, there are two other ways of using CRM. So they use CRM-based promotions, improve their brand awareness, as well as creating a psychological impact about the Apple products in the customer. So as we can see on the right-hand side of the slide, there is a pictures about the marketing campaigns. Buy a Mac or iPad 4, we will supply the bits. This is especially aimed for the university student to enhance their brand awareness among the university student. So they also offer the chance to customer to rate their experience in Apple outlets, and the reviews are used by Apple to know the expectations of the customer, so they can keep improving their Apple's products or services to meet the expectations. They also use the information as a competitive edge over other tech companies. So one of the unities of CRM in Apple is their Genius Bar, allowing the customer to meet face-to-face with technicians and discuss problem and solution in depth. So they're able to gain the insights about the needs from the customer, because the customer can ask some specialized questions about the products, and the technician can also recommend some products according to the customer needs and wants. Next. So as we can see, the CRM is more alive in the operation methods of Apple compared with its competitors such as Samsung and Huawei. So right now, Apple is using the strategy line stretching and skimming pricing. So line stretching is a strategy to launch product under the same product line. For example, Apple iPhone now has Apple iPhone X, iPhone X Plus, iPhone X or X under the same product line. So CRM is helping the Apple to manage the effect of face-to-face contact, enhance brand awareness when focusing upon CRM-based advertising and targeted emails in the futures. By using CRM so intensively in their retail structures, Apple has effectively produced a lifestyle experience rather than simply a purchase, thus able to command a premium in its pricing.
So now we're in the conclusion. We understand that Apple is taking care of the customer really good because they want to improve the customer service experience for the existing and the potential customers. They give them opportunity to interact with the technician for the depth discussion of problems they might have. Apple also using one-to-one basis, which can be a good example for the small business because Apple is a multinational company that is very successful. And last, Apple is focusing on lifetime experience rather than a simply purchase, like they're really taking care of the health of the customers also. So thank you for listening and watching our presentation.